Here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted, and the white that you can see there's a reflection of the water off the lights. This first piece I'm just basically throwing in. It's not got a lot of colour, bit of a pattern there in the middle. This piece, however, reds, greens, some course of that hit there with a brown, maybe cut that off, make that into a stone down the bottom, and then got a triangular sort of shape there for a pendant. Quite a pretty piece that. This one, little eye of colour up the top there. Bluey crystal at the bottom. Probably cut it through here and make two stones. It's thick enough to make it a nice solid little stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.